You guys thinking it was a beautiful day this morning, so I thought, why not drive my RC helicopter a little bit real quick while the sun is coming up. There she is. Let's see what she's got under the hood. Put it in slow. And let's see what happens. How about that? Amen. I almost landed on top of the camera. That'd been kind of cool, wouldn't it? Gotta get it back down. It's up high in the air. It's high in there. Gotta get it back down. Gotta get it back down. I'm not supposed to get high now. Look on the camera, right? There we go. Alright, let's try to get it up a little higher in the air, right? Higher in there. Gain altitude. There you go. How about that? Almost made it. Little safe landing there. Let's try it again. Probably got about 2 more minutes left of running time on it. Let's try not to let it get away from us again. I gotta keep it at the same time. That's a tree limb. Still good though, still good. I'm trying to get it down below it. It takes a minute for it to dig in. If you try to drop the speed really fast, it's gonna crash regardless. Kind of stuck right here. The wind keeps blowing me back when I try to go forward. There we go. We finally got back over here. Fighting with the wind. That takes a little bit of a small downdrift. Ride like a wind. There we go. We did it. Woo! How do you like that? Pretty good? Not good? What do you guys think? Okay, reverse don't work too well. There we go. I had a little bit off camera though, but battery was going down. I was trying to land it. There we go. I landed right here, but it was a little off camera. But there you go. Another good run for the helicopter. If you guys enjoyed it, we'll get you next time. How about a little close up? This thing still runs strong for its age. There you guys go. Light still works in there. Tail light right there. It's a great brand. Check it out. There's your serial number. I think it's a 2013 model. All original blades and everything still runs. Always usually crash about once or twice every 2 to 4 flights. So, or every 3 to 4 flights. This one it crashed once, unfortunately, in them trees over there. All in all, still another great run. You guys enjoyed it? We'll see you guys next time. Serial number again. See, same serial number there. Still runs great. We'll catch you guys next time. Yep. There you guys go. See you next time. Peace out. Always get outside and have fun with your RCs. Woo-woo!